stuff. We got to get the hood popped, and I apologize for all the wind noise. That's just kind of the way it goes. Doing this swap in a parking lot. So, there we go. Getting this open. Nothing really too exciting here. Cylinder 1 and 4 are completely cooked. Like, misfire is burning way more oil than minis usually burn. So, it's time for this to go. Also, a lot of the stuff on here is dry rotted, and there's really no point in me keeping this motor. Could I realistically just swap in another N14 motor? Yes, but they've had reliability issues for who knows how long. So we're gonna end up getting this whole damn thing out. So yeah, might as well get cracking, because this has to get done hopefully by May, so I can bring it up to automotion up in, what is that? Yeah, Wisconsin Dells. So that'll be fun. Oh, good stuff. Now, how exactly I'm going to get this done in said time frame, I have no idea. But I'm gonna make an attempt. So, fun stuff. Is this supposed to be a 10? Yeah, we'll go with it. First off, gonna get the headlights removed, just so it looks like I'm actually achieving something. Realistically, is this important at the very moment? I don't know. I have very minimal experience working with minis, but with all the vehicles I have driven, I do like the way that the Mini Cooper handles when they actually run right. So this is gonna be the base for my swap here. I don't even know where the heck I'm gonna put all this junk. These headlights eventually are just gonna go. Gonna need something else, because these stock headlights are in fact not it. It's not for this build. Ugh. There we go. Okay. I guess these are just, oh. Okay, that's great. So they're just located in 2 different spots. Nice. So why would I want them to be in the same location? Oh. There we are. Alright, now that those are out, I'm going to be popping off this upper grill piece, if I can find my tools. Now, I do not have a loaded toolbox or anything nice. I have bare bones, got some 3/8 sockets, regular and impact, and a multi-tool. Because I got the Milwaukee tools on a sale, and I don't have the money to be going and buying a full toolkit. Also, I'm not great with money. That does not help at all. But I do have a suspension already ordered for this car. It's gonna end up getting it's a BC Racing, I think it's a DS series coilovers on it, so it'll drop this car down about an inch. Because I don't want to drop it down too low, because I don't have any idea what fitment for wheels and tires is gonna look like. So, fun stuff. How the fudge do I get this off? There we go. Also can get this out of here. This is already broken, so it's time for these to go anyways. Grab that, bring this over here. So now that all that's removed, be popping this off right here, and then slowly kind of working my way in towards the engine. And then the front bumper, the fenders, all that junk's got to come off as well. So, fun stuff. This is kind of where we're at right now. And I will set you guys back down so that way I can keep getting at it. Ugh. There we go. There we go. I have no idea if that camera angle's decent or not, but we can hope. One. Two. Get out of there. 3 and 4. Use the big one because I don't like waiting. What in the dickens did Mini use for this? Huh. It is a 13. Alright, I guess, well, before I get this piece right here disconnected, I'm gonna take off the coolant overflow, coolant fill, whatever. And then pop this little plastic piece off for the windshield wiper fluid. Because we use body clips for everything, apparently. It's great. Yep. Get out now. Sick. Oh, this is release cables. Fun stuff. Oh, okay. That. I guess I can also just toss the 10 on there real quick. Because everything so far is either 10 or 13. That is the metric system. Alright, stay connected. That one. I'll probably pull all this out too. Alright, so it's supposed to be 2 bolts up here on either side, but that right side was missing them. Missing one of them. Alright, what else are we connected to? Looks like just these star bits, front 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then might be it. Yeah. Ooh, bendy. Let's see what we got. Might be T30s. I have no idea. We got a bunch of 27s in here. 130? Yeah. That is, in fact, a T30. Do not, please. Just stay up. So. And my silly butt does not have an extension, so we are just gonna say screw it and use a 1/4 inch bit or 1/4 inch socket like everyone else. Two, 3, and 4. I can put all this back and not lose my stuff. What else? What else is still connected here? Do you mind? Mind just not? What else is still connected to? I have absolutely no freaking idea what in the heck I'm doing. I have to remove those clips, don't I? Oh yeah. Turns out, do not need to just clip it back in. It holds on multiple layers of stuff. Here I was trying to be smart, not lose any of my clips. I do not feel like buying new ones. Alright, there we go. There's those. Oh. I really am just an idiot right now. Grab the 10 again. Now that should be everything. It is. There we go. So those front plastic clips go in here and also go all the way through, and then hold your headlight in. The ones that go through the top are still, they go through, holding down the headlight to here and down and screws into there. I know this is at no level a professional video of any sort, because if I'm being honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of unscrewing stuff until something happens. Alright. And then this I can put back up here because I'm trying not to lose anything. Even though I most certainly will. Away. And then these 4 T30 screws are going to end up going back in the top of the hood latch release, so that way those don't get lost. If I can get it out of there. So, I'll bring it over here. So in order to get these out, obviously the longer cable is going to go to this one, because it has to go further. But in order to get these ones out, I'm going to try these one-handed. Slide that little piece out. Come on, there we go. Slide this out of that hole right there. Just get that little ball up. So that's disconnected. And then same thing right here. Get. Okay. There we go. Sorry, these back on my other hand. Stop it. Stay up. Stay up. I'll get that off. Cool. Now I have both of these. I can get them out of here. And then in order to get this off, you have to feed them through. First pop these off right here. There we go. And then feed them through right here. Cool. You get the idea. Set that back right here. And keep going. So that way I don't have to look at it or worry about it. Because if it's not in sight, it's not a problem. Alright. These can finally go back into here. Because they don't hold anything else in, I don't think. Nope. Get. No, I'm just a dumbass. Cool. Alright, next will be this plastic piece right here. Hopefully get that popped up and off. So this side wasn't even clipped in. And then, so what's supposed to happen is there's supposed to be little clips right here that you'll just squeeze down with your fingers and slide off. There we go. Now, I should be able to keep this as long as I don't dent the shit out of it, which is probably going to be what happens. That's fine. So, where do I want to hit next? I'm going to look some of this up and actually go check. And then